Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back in my another video. Pankaj here. So in this video, we created a new UI dashboard. Okay, for the attendance application, you can merge your leave management and ticket management and other application also in this. Okay, if you want, this is a dynamic navigation which one we created. Now we using here only the user login sheet and a break records and attendance sheet. Okay, so let me explain how it's work. Okay, so here you able to view the text filter. You can directly search the employee name and you able to view all data in 2-day breaks and attendance or related to employee. And here you able to view the 2-day data. Okay, so here you able to view the all employees and present and absent and on break only for 2 day. Okay, if you select here 1 day, now you are able to view the 3 employees present here. Okay, and these employee is mark their attendance which on break and he is on back on desk, that's reason showing the red. This is color based on the timing. Okay, so if you are back on the desk then showing red, if you are on break so it's showing green. So you can filter here with a search name. Okay, with the dates also, and you can filter with the name also. Okay, if you click on any username. Okay, so I'm select the Pankaj, I'm able to view the old data. Okay, or you can directly refresh the reset the old filter from the refresh button, and once you click on the refresh you are able to view the latest data. Okay, and here is profile view option. Here you are able to view your profile, and this is help option. Just click on this. Now you are able to navigate automatically on help option. This is chat option, and here you able to view the help option also as the same. Just click on the same and you will navigate on my WhatsApp. Automatically you can change your according as per your you want to navigate on your mail ID or Teams ID, so you can change it according to your on-site property from the on-site property. So if I'm click on the attendance, I'm automatically navigate on attendance portal. If I'm select the reports, I'm automatically navigate on my reports portal. So everything is dynamic here, so you can change as per your recording. And I have given the link of this dashboard template in the description, so you can download this dashboard template from the description. Okay, so if you need any help in this, please reach out to me on my WhatsApp number or my mail ID, and which one is mentioned in the description. So thank you so much. If please like, share and subscribe.